Okay, so what I think we'll do is we'll go ahead and use the alternative medicine blog that I provided for you and showed you how to install. And what we're going to do is actually we're going to use the content that's on here, but we're also going to turn this in to more focused on hypnotherapy and the hypnotherapy niche. But the reason why I want to do this is because the theme that's on here, we can easily use the theme that's on here, and it's just going to be, I think, a better fit, a better quality site when we get done. So we're going to just transform this in kind of into the hypnotherapy and the hypnotherapy niche, and use the products that we have in the pack to put on this site. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's go ahead and go through the basic setup of the site. When you install the site, you're going to need to you're going to see that we need to update WordPress. Now, you may have already done this, so if you have, you can just skip this step. But let's go ahead and click on Please Update Now. And we're just going to click on Update Now to get it to the latest version of WordPress, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to our plugins page and take a look at the plugins that came with this site. Okay, so one of the premium plugins is Goliath. And so what we're going to do is I don't know about this plugin. We'll have to see. Don't know about this plugin or any of these. So we'll have to see. Let's go ahead and update them by clicking on Update Available. So we're going to go ahead and click on all of them to update all of them, and let's see what happens. Hopefully everything works okay. We're going to click Update and Apply. Okay, so it looks like everything went well, and let's go ahead and click on Return to the Plugins page. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of these plugins that we won't be using. I'm gonna go ahead and just get rid of the YouTube videos, because we're gonna we'll replace it here in a little bit. We don't need that. We'll replace this. We'll keep that for right now. Let's take this off and take that off. So let's go ahead and deactivate those plugins if we need to go back over them again. Actually, those are already deactivated, so I need to just delete. So we'll delete those plugins. And then just click on Yes, delete the files. Okay, now let's go ahead and deactivate the plugins that we're not going to be using. So we're going to deactivate Jetpack, Meta Slider, and Ultimate Video. Deactivate and apply. Now, I'm going to take a look at this plugin. I've never used it before, so if I think it's going to be useful, we'll keep it. If not, we'll add our own. And we'll come back to the plugins here in a little bit, and we'll add the plugins that I like, and I'll show you which ones we'll add. But first, let's go ahead and do some basic setup steps. So let's go to Settings in General. Go ahead and fill out your site title. This title is not going to be used for SEO purposes, but it does show in your header. Now, we may change this here in a little bit, but go ahead and just put a title and a tagline here. And when you get done with that, go ahead and click on Save. Now, once you're done with that, let's go ahead and go to Users in your profile. We need to go ahead and change our password. So on this page, you're not going to be able to change the username, but you can add a new user, which is what we'll probably do. So let's go to Add New User. And what you want to do is create a new user for yourself, new username, put in your email, and then create a good password for yourself. And then when you're done with that, click on Add New User. And don't forget to make yourself an administrator. Okay, so once you have that done, we're going to go ahead and log out. So go up to your to the right hand corner and then click Log Out. Now we're going to log back in with the login that you just created. If you're getting this message up here, go ahead and click this link to remove the files now. And then you'll be okay. Now after you log back in, you want to make sure and go to Users, go to All Users, and we're going to delete this admin account here. So just click Delete. Now it's very important that you don't delete all posts. Simply choose the attribute all posts to your new admin. So all that would be left is your username here. Now for our next step, we're going to need to log back into the cPanel. I'm going to show you how to upload all the plugins that we're going to use at one time. So we're going to go into our file manager. And you want to just make sure that you're in the public HTML. Now you're going to find the folder that has your site. Okay, if it's an add-on domain, you'll find the folder. Okay, if it's your main domain, you'll see all of your WordPress files here. Okay, so this is the subfolder, or actually subdirectory that I'm put the site in. So I'm going to go inside it, and you'll see all the WordPress files. I'm going to go into WP content, and at this point I'm going to click on upload. Now we're going to browse and upload the plugins zip file, and I'll provide that below the video here. So you'll have a zip file that says plugins. We're just going to upload that, and we're going to wait till it completes. After it's complete, we're just going to click this link to go back. Now, so what you should have is you'll see a zip file of the plugins that you just uploaded. All you have to do is highlight that and then click on the extract button, and then click OK, and then click close. Now at this point, all you need to do is click on reload, and what you'll find out is all of your plugins will be in your plugins folder. Okay, so we're done with this now. You can close it out. Now if you go back into your site, into the plugins page, and you do a refresh or refresh your page, you're going to see all of the plugins show up. Okay, so let's go ahead and activate a few of the plugins. We're going to activate all-in-one. We'll activate Facebook, Google Privacy Policy, and Sitemaps. We'll activate our NetScripts. Both of our flyout are in related. Rank Reporter, Slick Social Share buttons, we'll activate that. Stop spam comments. We'll activate Ultimate Category Excluder, 5 SEO, WordPress Ping Optimizer, Cleanup, Legal Pages, SlimStat, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and do one more step as far as setting up the basics. We're going to go to Settings and Writing. Now we're going to add our update services. I'll give you that list of ping list actually below this video to download. Your ping list will have a list of URLs that you will use to ping services when you add a new post. So we're just going to copy all of these, come back to our WordPress installation. Don't overwrite these, just move them down if you like, and then just paste in all the URLs here, and then click on Save Changes. Now let's go under Settings, and we're going to go to WordPress Ping Optimizer. You'll see that all of the ping URLs are here already. We're going to check the box to limit excessive pinging, and then we're just going to click on Save Settings. Let's go ahead and take care of our legal pages now. So we're going to go to Instant Legal Pages, and we're just going to check this box. I highly recommend that you purchase this plugin. It's really, really good, and it will help you, and it actually gets all of your legal pages on your site for you. We're going to click to show the Amazon disclosure in the footer, and we're just going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Okay, so in the next video we'll just kind of pick up where we left off here. We're going to probably be changing these ads or putting your ID on these ads here and the Amazon ads. So we'll see you in the next video.